Google Maps will never be the same. There are already even more huge Gemini and Google Maps updates that you need to see to believe. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode, and this might be the third or fourth huge Gemini and Google Maps update since December 2025, I swear. And thank you so much to Google for the early access, because without that, I wouldn't be able to test not one, but two new Gemini and Google Maps features for you: Ask Maps and Immersive Navigation. I love these Gemini-powered features in Maps, so let's start with Ask Maps. This is a new conversational experience that answers complex, real-world questions right inside Google Maps. And this is going to look and function pretty well the same across iOS and Android. To get started on iOS or Android, all you need to do is ensure you've downloaded the latest version of Google Maps from the App Store or the Play Store. And hello, redesigned Google Maps gradient icon, I see you. Anyway, open Google Maps and you should see the Ask Maps button right underneath the search bar at the top. Tap on Ask Maps to literally ask Maps anything. So my nephew is coming into town shortly and I'm so excited, so I decided to ask Maps for a little help with maybe a little day planning.
My 17-year-old nephew is visiting this week. Can you help me plan a fun day around Scottsdale and include a great lunch spot? He loves burritos.
And just like that, Google Maps has given me fun things to do around Scottsdale and even included a great spot for burritos. And you'll notice, we weren't in any active navigation or anything, so take a look at this. We're simply tapping on Ask Maps right underneath the search bar there. And then here, you'll even get a little bit of inspiration if you need help with what to ask Maps. Ask Maps gets to work right away on your behalf. And by the way, yes, your chat history is even saved in Ask Maps. So you can tap back to an older question and chat that you had previously asked Maps. And yes, this saves the entire chat history and works across device. So whether I'm using my iPhone or my Pixel, my chat history is right here.
Since my nephew's coming into town, we want to take cute photos. Can you tell me the best spots that offer mountain or maybe desert landscape backgrounds categorized by the most popular to hidden gems?
How's this for organization? Ask Maps has literally done so much of the legwork for me. This is incredible. What a time saver. And with Ask Maps, you can type your question or you can tap the microphone icon to voice to text. And remember, because we aren't in active navigation mode, Ask Maps works for any type of nav you'd like, whether you want to walk or bike or drive or take transit. But I'd like to make an important distinction here. Ask Maps is different from Gemini in navigation, which I've done a couple videos on, so you can watch by tapping up here or via the links in the description below if you want to learn all about that. Because Gemini in navigation is Google Maps' first hands-free conversational experience used when you're actively navigating somewhere. And then the answers you receive are voice-powered, so it's voice to voice, totally hands-free. Ask Maps is different in that it's a tool built to transform how you're using maps and how you're exploring and planning your day. So you can ask Maps anything about a place or route and get helpful visual answers in response. But as promised, that's just one of two new Gemini and Google Maps updates for the first quarter of 2026. And not to be dramatic, but Immersive Navigation is Google Maps' biggest update to the driving experience in over a decade. With it, you're going to notice reimagined visuals and intuitive guidance. Here's what this looks like. To enable immersive navigation in Google Maps, ensure you've downloaded the latest version of Google Maps. You're going to tap on your account profile photo in the top right corner of Google Maps, and then tap on Settings. From here, you're going to tap on Navigation. All you need to do is select the 3D option at the top. And then all you need to do is enjoy your drive, because yes, for now, at least upon launch, immersive navigation works only in driving mode. Once you are in that active navigation and driving, you're going to notice that buildings and terrain are brought to life in 3D, which allows you to more easily situate yourself. New see-through buildings and smart camera zooms keep more of your route in view for you, which is really helpful. So you're maybe a little more prepared for upcoming lane changes and the like. And speaking of lanes, Lanes, streets, traffic lights, and stop signs are more clearly shown in immersive navigation. Amen, which I absolutely love. Voice guidance also sounds more natural. And maybe something I love the most are new clearly marked entrances and parking lots nearby. This is really helpful when you're arriving somewhere new and you need to know where to actually go once you get there. Now let's talk availability and access. Ask Maps is rolling out now in the US and India on Android and iOS, with desktop coming soon. You should have access over the next week or so be patient. And Immersive Navigation is also rolling out now in the US and will expand to multiple surfaces in the coming months, including eligible iOS and Android devices, CarPlay and Android Auto, and cars with Google built in. Amen. For the record, eligible devices here are iPhone 13 Pro and higher, and for Android, it's starting with Pixel 9 and Samsung S24 Ultra. If you want even more Google Maps AI content, I've got a ton of other Gemini and Google Maps content listed for you in the description below. Happy navigating, friends! So that's Ask Maps and Immersive Navigation in Google Maps. And now I want to hear from you. How will you use these Gemini for Google Maps navigation features? What are your favorite features that have just been announced? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or you can leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel. And would you look at that, here for even more Gemini and Google Maps content? You know you wanna. Thanks for watching. See you next time.